So clearly, by the mall, able to at least pull that off inside today, but most other parts of our community really dealing with the rainfall, the flooding, and we are expecting, more rain through the night.
Yes, we are. As a matter of fact, we're going to get a little bit of a lull, and then it's going to come back on in. And of course, the reason for all of this is our own system that we have. This does not have anything to do with Harvey. This is our tropical wave that's over the central part of the state. And the biggest problem we have had, just like Harvey, is that this system is not moving. And so because of its stationary situation, we have been seeing all of this rain coming on in from the Gulf of Mexico. Right now, the center of it is right here over Orlando, and it is expected to move into the Atlantic, where it will eventually start to move along the middle Atlantic coastal states, and it could become a tropical storm. There is a 90% chance of that happening over the next 24 to 48-hour period. So we'll continue to watch for it. But in the meantime, it is dragging in all of this moisture across our area. You'll notice a counterclockwise spin when I put this into motion, and this is what's been bringing in all of the wet weather that we've been experiencing. And over the next 24 to 48-hour period, we are going to see more rain coming on in. We'll get a little bit of a lull, and then we'll get more showers coming through. Some of the rain will be heavy, some of it will be light. Some people won't get any, just cloudy weather. And then by Tuesday, by around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we start to see a lot more clearing, and by Wednesday we are finally going to dry out. But right now we're still seeing all of this wet weather out here in the Gulf. It's all moving onshore. It's been doing that all evening. Manatee County, Sarasota County, Charlotte counties all affected, and right now most of the wet weather has moved out of Charlotte County and continues to be focused up here around Sarasota County. And there's all of this that we still have to see coming on shore, and we are going to get breaks in that, and then some more will develop and come on in. So that's going to be the way the overnight time period is going to play out, and the same thing is going to happen once again tomorrow morning. We start with those showers, good 80% chance during the early morning hours. In the meantime, we've also got Harvey, and of course the words that have been associated with Harvey are catastrophic, devastating. These are the kinds of words that are associated with this system, and we are looking at tropical storm warnings still in effect along the Texas coastline, stretching on into Louisiana. All of these feeder bands moving into the center, which is affecting Houston. We have been talking about feet of rainfall already. 30 inches of rain has fallen. Another 20 inches is expected. So a total of 50 inches of rainfall could be taking place between now and tomorrow. And that's what we're going to be looking at. And so we still have the showers and thunderstorms moving on in. The center of this system, once again, not moving very quickly. And so as a result, it is going to be moving, eventually drifting on into the Gulf of Mexico, where it is expected to get a little bit stronger before it makes landfall again in Texas, and it's likely to make landfall very close to Galveston. So that's a system that is just going to continue to play out over the next couple of days. In the meantime, today we got up to a high of 83 only. Normally we're at 90, but because of all the cloud cover, we saw the temperatures in the low 80s. Right now it's 80 degrees. We have high humidity, the winds coming in out of the southwest, and they're fairly strong at around 17 miles per hour. Tomorrow is not going to be a great beach day. We are looking at rain showers starting in the morning, some thunderstorms as well. Winds will be coming in out of the southwest at 15 knots, and we are looking at temperatures that will hopefully get up to the mid 80s, but again we've got these isolated thunderstorms moving on in. Tonight's forecast calling for 80% chance of scattered thunderstorms, and then tomorrow we're looking at showers and isolated thunderstorms as well, with an 80% chance of rain starting in the early morning. So this is what it looks like over the next several days. We've got a 70% chance of rain on Monday. Tuesday we lower those chances, and on Wednesday, Adam, we can take a break.